Got this 2003 Dodge 2500 pickup. The headlights are pretty scratched up. They're 20 years old. Gonna replace them with a new set. These have a little bit of a different look. They're black in the background. And I'm gonna show you how to replace those here on this truck. First thing you gotta do is get 10mm bolts out. There's one here, and then you'll need an extension like this to get down to this one, which is way under there. So it's right underneath there, and there should be an opening. And then you can also see there's a plug here. There's this peg. This peg slides into a hole, but then there's this plug here that likely is grabbing. All right, so I got the whole thing slid forward. Thankfully, my custom front bumper didn't get in the way. I was worried about that. But right here, we just have 2 plugs to release. And then we can swap the bulbs out and put the other one in. Here's your turn signal. Rotates off of those screws there. And now the bulb should just come out. There we go. It just pulls pretty much straight out. Oh, that's it. There's not much holding that in there. I really didn't like the way that coupling is holding the bulb in place. I'm just going to put some caulking around this, some clear silicone. So when that dries, it'll be removable, but it'll seal that in place so it won't move around. So got both bulbs in. Now we're just going to slide this back into the body here and then reattach those 3 bolts. I think what you can see is I've got to remove that cap that's on the top piece because it's already a piece of plastic in the fender already, and then that'll snap into that slot. Here's the piece here, and they're giving you, with this set that you buy, they're giving you the piece that goes into the plastic into the fender. So I got to remove this thing without busting it. There we go. So this is what's in the fender already, and then there's just a 2-prong hook here, and this peg slides right in. And I think we're in. Another thing to notice up front is this rubbery piece here actually has a tab here that's going to go here. So I'm going to remove this one and pop that into the fender. Just another seal goes into the fender. This is the one that goes in the bottom here. You can see that silver part, that's the bracket. So that's it. That's all you got to do to change out your headlight. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side now. And it looks a lot better, and hopefully I'll be able to get some better light out of these things, because those are just so fogged up that they just weren't putting out much light. And we'll see how these work. Look a heck of a lot better. Hey, I hope this video is helpful. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.